Hi, I'm Brian Bock. I'm an IICRC Master Textile Cleaner, and I'm also a Woolsafe approved service provider in this part of the country for Woolsafe. And I want to talk today about, number one, let's talk about why we need rug pad for our rugs, and give you three options on what we offer. One of the biggest reasons why we need rug pad in general, stability and grip, so it's not bunching up and you're not slipping on those floors in high traffic areas. Secondly, for the rug's protection and the floor's protection. Okay, it gives some stability to the foundation of that rug, and it also protects the floor from abrasive soils that work through the rug that can scratch up floors, so it protects your floor as well. And for water-based spills, as you spill those, it can go through there as well and cause damage underneath that floor, and it's a perfect breeding ground for mildew and bacteria to grow too. So we want to keep that moisture barrier there as a big deal as well. But also giving that rug some cushion, okay, especially your expensive wool rugs. We don't want the face yarn to take all that abuse. Okay, just for the same reason wall-to-wall carpet needs a pad, rug can also benefit from a pad too, so the face yarns aren't taking all that abuse. And they'll last a lot longer. And you know, wool rugs, the yarn breaks off, okay, leaving a bald spot. Okay, it's not like the synthetics, they don't necessarily break, they just scratch up. So the third reason would be for comfort and sound. Okay, so it gives that rug a much fuller look, and you know, it deadens sound. So if you're on a second floor and we have people below, maybe in a high-rise apartment or something like that, we can get some sound absorption and really some warmth and comfort out of a rug pad as well. But here's our three options. This is probably our most popular one. Okay, we call this Grip Text. And on the top, it has some rough, what we call four-way locking. So your rug goes on it and it locks it in four directions. And the bottom of it is actually rubber, so it grips that floor. Okay, so it won't bunch up, but it also, if you see, this one's a little bit thicker, and that's what I was mentioning about the shock absorbing aspects of it. This is a little bit thicker, and we can cut this so it still makes that fall. We're not going to leave an edge, and we can custom cut these. When we have a rug in here to clean, we can measure up your rug, get the right rug pad that you want, and give you a custom cut. So this is probably our most popular. And for your nice, you know, oriental rugs, I would recommend probably this one over hard surface, okay? This one is a little bit thinner if you don't want that thickness, but it's solid, okay? I don't like the waffle pattern kinds because the waffles can break down and leave that waffle kind of look in your hardwood floors finishes as well. So this is a little bit thinner, but it is solid, and all these materials are great. They don't break down and cause that chalking. Okay, I mean, some of them are guaranteed for like 10 years not to do that. So they're much higher quality materials than what you might buy online or at a warehouse type store. So these are all premium grade products. This one is what we call our T-bod. This was called the double grip, by the way. And this is our T-bod. This is one that goes, say you want to put a rug over carpet and it keeps walking on you. Okay, that nap, every time you walk on it, the nap of the carpet is making the rug move. That's why they move so much. This actually is slightly tacky on the bottom side, so it holds onto the carpet. And then when we lay the rug on it, it's tacky on this side that holds the rug onto this. So keep it from curling up on the edges and walking on you. Okay, so there's our three options. And again, we can do this custom cut for you. We could even sell this to you and ship it to you as well. So let us know and we'll come out and measure it up and give you a price on any of these options. Thank you.